How to change Gmail swipe to delete. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, then scroll all the way down and click on Settings. And here you want to click on General Settings, and then look for swipe actions and click on it. And here you will be able to change the actions of your swipes. As you can see, you have two swipes, the right one and the left one, and depends on which one you want to change to delete. Click on the change button next to it and then select the delete action, as you can see right here. From now on, each time I swipe an email to right, it will be deleted. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the swipe action in Gmail to delete. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.